Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Google Docs from your desktop shortcut or your web browser. Now after you open it up, simply open the document where you want to highlight. Once your document is opened up, all you need to do to highlight your text is first of all scroll over and select your desired text. Once you select your desired text to be highlighted, you can click on the highlight color menu alongside the text color. Once you click on it, you will be able to select your highlighting color. Simply click on your desired color and it will be highlighted with that color. You can also choose any color that you want to highlight your text in different styles. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to highlight your text on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.